Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the dating app on Facebook. Now let's clarify that by diving into how to delete the Facebook dating app, or more accurately, your dating profile. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the three horizontal lines, bottom right on iOS, top right on Android, to access the menu. Scroll through shortcuts to find dating, marked with a heart icon. If you don't see it, tap See More, where it might be hidden there. Alternatively, use the search bar at the top, type dating, and tap the Facebook dating result to enter the dating section. This is where your dating profile lives, separate from your main Facebook profile, but tied to your account. Once in the dating section, tap your profile picture in the top right to access your dating profile settings. Tap the gear icon for settings, then scroll down to find Delete Profile. You'll see two options: delete profile, to permanently remove it, or take a break to pause your profile without losing your matches. If you choose delete profile, you'll be prompted to select a reason for leaving, like found someone or not interested, or you can tap skip to bypass this. Confirm by tapping delete profile again. A pop-up will warn that all your dating data, including matches and chats, will be erased, and you can't create a new dating profile for 7 days. If you're sure, tap Confirm. Your profile is now deleted, and the dating feature should no longer appear in your menu. If you want to keep dating but hide it, try the Take a Break option instead. This hides your profile from matches without deleting it, letting you return later. To ensure dating stays out of your menu, go to the main menu, tap the gear icon, then Preferences, then head to Navigation bar. If dating is listed, tap it, select Hide, and Save. This removes it from your shortcuts. Unique tip: before deleting, screenshot your dating profile details, like your bio or preferences, in case you want to recreate it after the 7-day wait period. If the dating option doesn't disappear after deletion, clear the app's cache. Reopen the app, log in, and check the menu. If it's still there, update the app via the App Store or Google Play, as outdated versions can cause glitches. If you can't access the dating section, check your account status in Help and Support. Head to Account Status to ensure no restrictions or blocking features. For persistent issues, contact Facebook support via Help and Support. Head to Report a Problem and describe the problem. This process is perfect if you're moving on from dating or decluttering your app experience, ensuring your profile is gone and your focus stays on other Facebook features. That's it, guys.